If you want to add Arabic text in CapCut and have it display properly, this video is going to save you a lot of time. Arabic can sometimes appear scrambled, disconnected, or in the wrong order inside basic editors. So in this tutorial, I'll show you a simple workaround that helps you prepare the text first, then paste it into CapCut Desktop the right way. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, copy your Arabic text from your source website, document, or notes app. This can be any Arabic sentence, subtitle line, title, or phrase you want to use in your video. The important thing here is to start with the exact text you want because we're going to format it before putting it into CapCut. Next, open a free online Arabic formatting tool. You can use tools like Arabic Text Converter or Arabic Text. These tools are designed to help fix the direction and structure of Arabic so it works better in apps that don't fully support advanced Arabic shaping. Once the website opens, look for the input box and paste your scrambled Arabic text into that field. If the text looks reversed, disconnected, or not quite right, that's completely normal at this stage. The converter is what will process it into a more usable format. Now click the convert button, or on some websites it may say process input. After a second or two, the site will automatically flip the text direction and pre-connect the letter shapes into a Unicode format that basic video editors can understand. This is the key step that helps Arabic display more cleanly in CapCut. After the output appears, click copy on the newly generated text. Make sure you copy the converted version, not the original input. That converted text is what you'll paste into CapCut in the next step. Now open your project in CapCut Desktop. Once you're inside your timeline and ready to add text, go up to the text menu and click Add Text, then choose Default Text. This will create a simple text layer that you can edit directly. After that, click inside the text box on the right-hand properties panel. This is important because you want to make sure the text field is active before pasting. Then press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste your Arabic text into the box. If everything has been done correctly, CapCut should now place the Arabic text into your project using the formatted version you copied earlier. From there, you can adjust the font, size, position, color, spacing, and alignment to match your video style. You can also duplicate the text layer if you need the same Arabic phrase in multiple scenes. If the text still looks off, go back to the converter and try a different formatting tool or recopy the output carefully. Sometimes the issue is simply using the original text instead of the processed version or pasting before the text box is fully selected. Taking that extra moment usually fixes the problem. And that's how to add Arabic text in CapCut using a quick online conversion method and a simple paste workflow in CapCut Desktop. It's a fast way to make Arabic text look much better without spending forever fixing each letter manually. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.